thirsty in my life. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nicolah. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this really cool and simple cow print like eyeliner look. So I'm starting off on a freshly based face. I ended up picking up the Ruby Kisses Classic Liquid Eyeliner in the shades black and white for this look. One of the things that I was really surprised by was the formulation of this liner. It is by far the most liquid liner I've ever dealt with. So just be really wary of that. That's why you see me shaking it up there. I first started off by layering on the liner in the shape that I would eventually want it to sit on my eye. Because the formulation is really liquidy, I found myself having a bit of trouble getting it to stay where I put it. The liner was mixing with my foundation that I already had on, and it was just a mess. So really take your time when layering on this product. As you can see, I'm just building the shape of the liner piece by piece. Because of how liquidy it is, I couldn't just continuously lay the product on top of itself. I had to lay a little bit, let that dry, and then go back over it to intensify the pigment. It got so bad that I even had to pull out my fan because it just wasn't drying down fast enough and I had some place to go. So I let that dry and set. I'm going to continue to build the shape of the white liner. And I'm going to continue to layer on the liner until I get the color payoff that I want. After that, I'm going to reach for the black liner to create the cow-like spots. There is no exact science to creating the cow spots. I would just say don't try and make it perfect. Cow spots are imperfect, and that's what makes it look so cool. So just make sure to vary the dots in size, because if they're all small dots or medium dots, it won't necessarily look like cow print. So draw a large one, draw a really tiny one next to that, draw a medium-sized one after that, and kind of just continue in that pattern. Please take your time for this process. I messed up a couple times as well and had to go back in with a Q-tip and clean it up. So definitely take your time and don't rush this process. I decided to finish the rest of my face on camera, so after I finished the other side, I'm grabbing my double decker mascara, one of my faves, and I'm just prepping my eyes for lashes. I'm using the Innocent lashes from last stream today. After that, I'm grabbing my Note Cosmetics Silk Compact Blusher. This is in the shade Desert Rose. To bronze, I'm using my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Soleil. And to set everything and melt everything together, I'm grabbing my Power Up spray from In Beauty. This has become my favorite all-time setting spray. I'm just gonna douse my face in that. For the lips, I'm grabbing my Auto Lip Liner from Nicolah Ann. This is in the shade Choco. I had a little lip mishap, so I'm just gonna go classic with some pure lip oil from Nicolah Ann. This is in the shade Fruit Punch. For highlight, I definitely didn't want to do a silver highlight, but I wanted something that would lend itself to silver. So I'm grabbing my Pure Cosmetics Sculptor palette, and I'm going to grab the shade Originator. Alright guys, and that's it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed the simple liner look. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your peeps, and until next time you guys, peace.